Welcome to this tutorial on how Betterment works and how to use the Betterment app for beginners. Betterment is a popular robo-advisor that helps individuals manage their investments and achieve their financial goals. To get started with Betterment, you will need to create an account and provide some basic information about yourself, including your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. This information will help Betterment determine the best investment portfolio for you. Once you have created your account, you can deposit money into your Betterment account, which will then be invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. Betterment uses a variety of investment strategies to manage your portfolio, including tax loss harvesting, which helps to minimize your tax liability. One of the key benefits of using Betterment is that it offers low fees and no minimum balance requirements. This makes it an accessible option for individuals who are just starting to invest or who have limited funds to invest. Betterment also offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your investments and achieve your financial goals. For example, you can use the app to set financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house, and track your progress towards those goals. In terms of investment options, Betterment offers a range of portfolios to choose from, including a socially responsible portfolio and an income-focused portfolio. You can also customize your portfolio to suit your individual needs and preferences. To get the most out of Betterment, it is a good idea to set clear financial goals and to regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio as needed. You should also take advantage of the educational resources and tools that Betterment offers, such as its investment guides and webinars. Overall, Betterment is a great option for individuals who are looking for a low-cost and easy-to-use investment platform. By following these steps and taking advantage of the tools and features that Betterment offers, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure financial future.